We're at Sópers House in Cuffley, on the outskirts of Hertfordshire, near Potter's Bar. We've also got surrounding us is the M25, and we're close to places such as Luton Airport, the M1, and we've got train lines that go straight into Moorgate and into London. We're based on 3 levels. We have up to 40 offices and companies that are using the space, as well as up to 400 people using our co-working area for hot desking. The facilities that we're providing are all based on luxury and comfort. So we provide a fine dining restaurant with roof terrace, a wine cellar. We've then got a state-of-the-art gym, which is membership only, 3 studios for spinning, Pilates, yoga and kettlebells. And the other facilities we provide is a barber's, a salon and a nail bar to help with mental health and well-being.
Smart2U was involved of this building to install a different type of technology. We start with the smart lighting and energy saving solution. Then we move to access control, which is a major part of the scale of the project. We chose 2N Verso to be the main door station to the building, which contains the touchscreen to provide a list of the businesses and Bluetooth and RF module. Through the building we install 2N Access 2.0 modules, and for the offices, each offices we install the 2N Mullion readers.
Key benefits for 2N's access control solution for the end user was, from the very beginning, it was reinforced the security of the solution. The aesthetics and the quality of the technology was something that was also key. The seamless integration with any other technologies which were running on the application, we hit that, and we were very happy with how we kind of integrated the solution into the end user's requirements.
Because we're such a large concept of 70,000 square foot, we needed technology that works for a large scale. So 2N system was the best thing for us because it's reliable, it gives us easy access, and it's easy to use for a large team as well.
The support we get from CIE, it was amazing through the whole project. We worked with the sales team closely and managed to create that amazing project.
CIE are one of 2N's top partners. We have a very solid and a long-standing relationship with CIE, and one of the reasons for that is the way they've embraced the product, they've embraced the technology. They also provide a very high level of service to 2N's customers.